Hello everyone and welcome to this video guide. I will show with you step by step how to find Banco PBM IBAN. So if you want to find your IBAN, go to this website bankcodes/IBAN. This is the website you can see here. Check this website. All you have to do, you have to section IBAN calculator, click this one, generate, and then scroll down, write your code is check digit here, and the one later. From here, write your bank codes. 5 digits number, and then for the branch code write your 5 digit number here. So you have 5 digit number here and here, and then write your accounts number. From all this section for details you can find on your Banco PBM details. All you have to do, open your app, and from this app you can get your accounts number from the home section. Copy your codes from here and paste here your digit codes, for example this one, and then write your bank codes. For example, write your also this branch code, then write your 12 number codes as you can see here, and then click generate. So friends, just write your generate, you will see your IBAN exactly like this. I hope this guide helpful for you. See